Find or read reviews that people are talking of Lazar Optics HD 10x42 Binoculars. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Lazar Optics HD 10x42 Binoculars. Below are some reasons why you should choose. From hunting to bird watching to catching gorgeous sights in the mountains, these HD binoculars from Lazar Optics will help you keep a clear eye on the world around you. When it comes to binoculars, not every pair is created equal. There are a ton of factors and features that can mean the difference between epic image quality and a blurry view that just doesn't cut it. That's why we developed the Lazar Optics LR1 binoculars with the kind of clarity you'd expect with high-end options, but with the affordability and versatility you need in your everyday life. These premium HD binoculars with neck strap and cleaning cloth offer 10x magnification, 42mm BAK4 objective lenses for higher image quality, and the kind of adjustability you need to ensure a crisp, clean image. And with a wide field of view and 18.6mm eye relief, you'll always be able to keep a clear eye on the horizon. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.